Good trade. Really close, to be honest. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful exit. Beautiful. Amazing. Amazing. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to the trading school. This is your host. This is your friend once again. Today we're going to make money together and going from zero to hero with me on this journey to make money and be wealthy. Click the like on the video and subscribe for more, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel, which is in the link in the description. So let's get started. So let's select our candles, and this is going to be enable the timer. Okay, and indicators we're going to be using today: the bears powers, the bulls powers, and the moving average. That's what we're going to look at. Let's identify and change the style. The period for this should be, let's go with 13. The moving average is going to be EMA. The style is going to be 2 points or 3 points for more graphical representation to see it clearly. The bulls power, the period is going to be set to, actually 13 is pretty okay. Style, again we're going to go with 3 points, and histogram, actually no, 1 point is okay and histogram is okay. All right, styles again, color to orange, histogram okay, everything's looking good. All right, so we are in the first trade for the euro against the ruble, and seems like we will be having an entry here. We can see the market is actually in the downward trend. There is a downward trend over here, and we are going to go with the price action. We are going to go with the market, and for this trade we will be, one second, let me have a look. We will be going with an investment of $95, and we are entering into a sell. Good entry. So as you can see that there's a very strong downtrend. The price cannot fix itself above the moving average. The oscillators are also short, so that's why we are entering into a downward trend. So we're just going to wait for a few seconds and see what happens. Feeling pretty confident because I know my experience, I know my theory, everything is good with the school, and that's what we're teaching you to do. All right, just a few seconds, and let's see what happens. Right now, with an investment of $95, we are going to cash out 182.40. Everything is looking good so far. Let's not get our hopes up, because in trading, you don't have to trade with emotions. You have to trade with your mind, and you have to trade with your experience and theory. And that's what we're teaching you to do. Good trade. Really close, to be honest, but really good trade. We managed to make the first profit of the day with the first trade. 182.40, pretty easy and pretty confident on this one. Let's have a better trade once again. Let's have a possible profitable trade again. Let's see. All right, now we can have a look at the euro against the Swiss franc, and let's see. All right, okay, seems like we're going to get a market entry here. The market is, as you can see the graph, it's going upside. We can set the bet amount to $140, and we can enter into, one second. All right, one sec. Let's enter into a buy. Okay, so as you can see, we are breaking through the moving averages upwards, the oscillators signaling for growth, and therefore we are opening a deal on the upside and waiting for the breakdown of the resistance, and that's what we're doing. Beautiful candle forming upwards from our entry point, and with an investment of $140, we will be cashing out on this one $268.80. Beautiful entry. As you can see, the bull powers and the bear powers are actually signaling that there is a growth which is going upwards. You can also see the market trend. You can also see the market was a little sideways, and after that is just going upwards, and we have a really good entry with the price action, and we can see that the entry took place at a very exact and specific moment where there was a reversal going upwards, and that's what we're teaching you to do, and that's what we're doing this together. Okay, second trade of the day, EUR against the CHF. Let's see, just a few seconds and the trade will close. All right, beautiful second trade. We managed to have a profit of 268.80. Very nice. Stick around. We are going to make more profit together, 100%. I can guarantee you this. Let's have a look at the Swiss franc against the NOK. We have the Swiss franc CHF against the NOK. Seems like the market is going pretty sideways right now, but seems like there will be a trade that we will be taking on this. Let's set the bet amount to $180, and we will be entering into a buy because there is a possibility of the sideways going upwards, and we will be entering into a buy with a good entry. Yes, beautiful entry. So we have consolidated above the moving line, and now we need to break the 10.70 resistance. So in this, the bullish oscillator is showing a rising signal. That's why the option is up. That is what we're doing. But right now it's not going in our favor because we are below the entry point, but feeling pretty confident about this one as well. So let's see. It's going to be okay. It is going to be fine. Just fine. All right, let's see. Okay, CHF against the NOK. Let's see. Let's just be patient. There's nothing to worry. Just wait. If you want, you can just keep your eyes closed and just wait. But actually, just trust me and trust my school and trust my mentorship and my experience. Look, beautiful. Come on, let's go up. Come on, I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't need this. Come on, pretty close actually, pretty close. We have a good, oh, beautiful exit, beautiful. $345 of profit, really beautiful. It was our third trade of the day, really beautiful movement, and we managed to make pretty good profit, really good. Let's have a look at the CAD against the JPY probably. Let's see if we can get an entry. Actually, no, the market is going really downwards. Seems like, no, the indicators aren't supporting well to have an entry. No, I am not feeling pretty good. Let's see the CAD against the CHF. Let's go with CAD against the CHF. Seems like there has been a sideways market and there is a resistance that is going to help us to go upwards. The bull's power is supporting that there will be an upward trend. So let's set the bet amount to $230 and we can enter into a buy. Good entry. So you can see that a little bit it is rolling back. I mean, it's at break even a little bit. Oh yeah, it's rolling back a little, but it is remaining in the upward movement. And we are expecting a new round of growth in the CAD against the CHF. The oscillators are also growing. That's why we are opening an option which is on the upside. Let's just wait. So with an investment of $230, we will be cashing out 430.10. Pretty confident about this. Don't need to see, don't need to pay attention because that's what I am doing and that's what I was born to do. This is what I'm born to do. Pocket options is my most trustable platform and I only prefer trading on pocket option because real-time trading, pretty fast, pretty accurate, everything is just top notch. All right, let's see. I'm still seeing. Oh, beautiful trade. It was the fourth trade of the day. Beautiful profit, $427.80 of profit. Very nice. Beautiful day. Wow. Amazing. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, AUD against the CHF. You can see the market is going downwards. There is a strong downtrend. And the bear's power is also suggesting in the histogram that there is going to be a downward fall. So seems like we will be taking an entry towards the downside. Let's wait. Let's see. Let's set the bet amount to, let's go a little bit higher. Let's go with $300. Waiting for an entry. Sorry guys, waiting for an entry. Let's enter into a sell. So what's happening here is I'm going to explain. So we are expecting a return under the moving averages over here. The sellers are stronger. The sellers are strong right here. Judging by the candlesticks over here, we think that it is a false breakout. That's what I'm thinking. There is a breakout on the upward side and I think it's false. And with an investment of $300, we will be cashing out 558. Let's stick around and let's see what happens. All right, last trade of the day, fifth trade. Let's be profitable. Come on guys, come on. Don't forget to like the video if you're enjoying my trades, if you're enjoying the journey with me. We're doing this together always. You can always communicate with me. You can always comment, like on the video, subscribe to the channel to make money with me. I'm not going to just help you to make money. I'm going to help you to be wealthy. I'm going to help you to escape your 9 to 5 and make something profitable. Beautiful trade. Amazing. Let's go. Fifth trade, all profitable trades today. Beautiful. So once again, I'm just suggesting you to click on the link in the description to join the community of Telegram to receive signals, comment, communicate with me. We're going to make this together. I'm going to make you a hero. Zero to hero. Escape your 9 to 5 and have financial freedom. Take care, guys. Once again, see you next time.